अलिफ, अलिफ से अनार। अलिफ, अलिफ से अनार। अलिफ मदा, अलिफ मदा से आम। अलिफ मदा, अलिफ मदा से आम। बे, बे से बिल्ली। बे, बे से बिल्ली। पे, पे से पंखा। पे, पे से पंखा। ते, ते से तितली। ते, ते से तितली। टे, टे से टमाटर। टे, टे से टमाटर। से समर। से समर। Now next is English alphabet. A for apple. A for apple. B for bear. B for bear. C for cat. C for cat. D for drum. D for drum. E for egg. E for egg. F for fan. F for fan. Now next is fruits name. So yummy and healthy fruits name. Mango. Mango color is yellow. Banana. You know banana color? Yes, I know. Banana color is yellow. Grapes. Grapes shape is oval, smallest oval, and its color is green. Good. Apple. You know apple color? Apple color is red, and its flavor is sweet. So yummy and healthy fruit. Pineapple color is yellow, and its flavor so tasty, so yummy. Guava. You know guava color? Yes, guava color is green. Orange shape is circle, and its color is orange. Good. Now next is animal's name. Cat. Dog. Goat. Cow. Horse. Lion. Tiger. Elephant. Zebra. Now next we are learn colors name. Red. Yellow. White. Blue. Black. Pink.